Welcome back to my channel. This is a step-by-step practical vocal variety tutorial to help your voice sound more attractive and get rid of monotone voice. If you haven't watched my previous video on 3 simple techniques to fix monotone voice, please click this link to watch it. To quickly recap, we need to change our pitch, volume, and pace appropriately to have vocal variety. To enhance your vocal charisma, you can listen to great speakers and imitate them. Lastly, use dramatize then naturalize technique to stretch your vocal variety ability. Without further ado, let's dive into the practices. Since this is a practical step-by-step tutorial, please follow the exercises after me or together with me, okay? First exercise, low and high pitch. Imagine you are the rock when you use low pitch, and you are little girl when you are using high pitch. Now say A, B, C, D, E, F, G from lowest pitch to highest pitch. Your turn. Now reverse from high pitch to low pitch. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Try it. Next, use your normal pitch to say, I am the rock. I'm not afraid of you, my little girl. Try it. Then repeat this sentence with your lowest pitch to the highest pitch. I am the rock. Low and deep voice. But I'm not afraid of you. Your normal pitch. My little girl. High pitch. Let me repeat. I am the rock. But I'm not afraid of you. My little girl. Now it's your turn to try. Then reverse the order from high pitch to low pitch with the same sentence. I am the rock, but I'm not afraid of you, my little girl. It's your turn to try. This practice is to help you discover your ability of using different pitch and tonality. Varying the pitch will help to break the monotonous sound, but remember to use it wisely and appropriately. We still need to sound natural, right? Second practice, loud and soft voice. Now say A, B, C, D, E, F, G from your loudest voice to softest. Try it. Reverse it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G from your softest to loudest. Try it. Great. Now use the same sentence. I'm the rock, but I'm not afraid of you, my little girl. I am the rock. Loud, but not shouting. But I'm not afraid of you. Your normal volume. My little girl. Soft, still audible. I am the rock, but I'm not afraid of you, my little girl. Your showtime. Then reverse the order from soft to loud. I am the rock, but I'm not afraid of you, my little girl. Spotlight on you. Again, compared to saying the same sentence with the same volume, you can definitely tell different emphasis create different meanings and progressions. Always remember to project your voice. Don't be shy. Vocal projection is highly depending on your breath and energy. Let me know in the comment if you would like me to share more on vocal projection. Third exercise, fast and slow pace. Now say ABC, D, E, F, G, H, I. From fast to slow pace. Try it. Reverse it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. From slow to fast. Your turn. Next, again with the same sentence. I'm the rock. Fast pace, but I'm not afraid of you. Your normal pace. My little girl. Slow pace. I'm the rock, but I'm not afraid of you. My little girl. Try it out. Then reverse the order from slow to fast. I am the rock, but I'm not afraid of you, my little girl. Now it's your turn. When you are doing this, you will notice there is dynamic in the line. After you have tried all these practices, you might notice that different pitch, volume, and pace bring out different emotions, meanings, and purposes. Do you agree with me? The next challenge to you will be mixing out these three elements in one sentence. With the same example. I'm the rock. Low pitch, high volume, and fast pace. But I'm not afraid of you. Your normal tone. My little girl. High pitch, soft, and slow. I'm the rock, but I'm not afraid of you. My little girl. Now it's your turn to try. I know it's weird, but let's reverse the order. I am the rock. High pitch, low volume, and slow. But I'm not afraid of you. Your normal tone. My little girl. Low pitch, loud, and fast. I am the rock, but I'm not afraid of you. My little girl. Alright, spotlight on you. Just try it out. Please give yourself a pat. Well done. A reminder, please vary your pitch, volume, and pace appropriately. At the end of the day, we need to sound natural. Last exercise in this video will be the dramatize, then naturalize technique mentioned in the previous video. Just go wild and dramatize as much as you can when practicing. This is to expand your vocal capability. I will do a demonstration and you will do next. The rabbit runs so fast, but it's too late. The tortoise has won the race. The tortoise looks at the rabbit and laughs out loud. The rabbit feels so disappointed and leaves the place immediately. It's your turn to try now. Just imagine you are a drama king or queen. Hope you let your drama king or queen inside come out just now. Okay, now it's time to naturalize the delivery. The rabbit runs so fast, but it's too late. The tortoise has won the race. The tortoise looks at the rabbit and laughs out loud. The rabbit feels so disappointed and leaves the place immediately. Please try it now. Thanks for following through. I hope these exercises will help you to gain vocal power and make your voice sound more interesting. Say no to monotone voice. Just like muscle training, repeat these exercises from time to time to make your vocal muscles strong and powerful. Let me know in the comment below if you have done all these exercises. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you can subscribe to my channel for more public speaking tips and click here for more videos. Let us work together to become effective communicator. See you in the next video. Remember to do your exercises.